ClubExpress, questions and answer types. Many functions and modules in ClubExpress allow us to ask customized questions such as surveys, ad hoc forums, events, and additional member data. When we begin adding a question in one of those functions, we'll see the Question Builder pop-up appear. We'll first give the question a name. The name is only used for admin purposes and reports. It's not the question that our users will see. Next, we make the important decision of what answer type we'd like to use for our question. Our selection here will determine the format the question will allow users to respond with. There are simple options like short or long text that have users simply type any response they like, and more complex options like scale questions that allow people to submit responses to a numbered or text-based scale. As you select different answer types, we'll see that additional information will change on our question pop-up, allowing us to configure the question in detail. Let's quickly run down our list of answer types. Heading instruction text is informational only. It doesn't allow any user responses to the question. Use that option to include more information or instructions as a part of a form or survey. Short text is a small text field used to collect typed responses 100 characters or less. Formatted text is similar to short text, but we can require the response to be in a specific format, like an email address. Long text provides users a large text box for longer responses of up to 4,000 characters. There are various date and time formats, like specific year, month, day, time, or even a full date. Integer can be used for numerical responses on whole numbers only. Number is a numerical response that allows non-whole numbers. Select list and radio buttons both allow for a single selection from a defined list of optional responses. Checkbox list allows for multiple selections from a list of optional responses. True-false is a two-option response where both options can be customized. Multiple text boxes is similar to short text, but with multiple vertically stacked text boxes for more than one response. Scale is a horizontal list of radio buttons representing the strength of the user's opinion. This can be represented on a scale of numbers, such as 1 to 5, or it can be a text-based scale, like from strongly agree to strongly disagree. For questions with predefined lists of responses, like our checkbox, select list, radio buttons, and scale questions, enter all possible responses in the order you'd like them to appear, each separated by a return. Once the answer type has been selected, we can move on to our question text. This is the question as it'll appear to the users responding to it. We can format the text however we like, and even have the option to include images. We may optionally include a note that will appear in gray below our question's text. After we've configured any options related to our chosen answer type, we can save our settings, and our new question is complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.